Hey, I was going to go over the changing of a tail light on a new model Camaro. This is 2013. So if you're driving down and you turn your signal on, you get a message up on your display that says, check either one of your turn signals. That and you got a fast signal indicator. If you see how fast that's blinking compared to that one, that means one of your turn signal lights are out. So I'm going to show you how to change it on one of these and how easy it is. So the first thing I want to do is verify that it's actually out. So you can see you got two in the back, right, but on the left you only got the one. So basically what it consists of is taking this cover off and accessing the bulb, and we'll go over that and show you how easy it is. So basically you got these three little plastic retainers. Just pull them up and out of there. I'm just using a pick, but you can use a screwdriver. This cover will pop right off here. And if you look back in here, there's a connector that we're going to take off. Okay. Then you're just going to rotate the bulb receptacle down. And it's a little tight getting out of here, but it will come out. Now the turn signal bulb is a dual filament bulb. Specifically a 31, I think it's a, what's that say? 3157. There's the new one. You can put it in either way. Does not matter. Stick it back in, make sure that the lugs engage, and then you just turn it. And then hook the connector back up. Now, you should have brake lights. And to put this cover back on, it's even easier than getting it off. Just push all these little retainers in. And then just push these down to spread them apart and hold them. It's that simple. There you go. You guys take care.